This is AC1200 mesh Wi-Fi system. In today's video, I am featuring the 2-unit system and it covers up to 3800 square feet for Wi-Fi coverage. Comes packed in the soft plastic which feels really good. So let's unwrap this. So this is how it looks. It has got the TP-Link branding on the front. It looks like tower. And again it has another TP-Link branding here. It's dual band Wi-Fi with MU-MIMO, multiple user, multiple input, multiple output, and can connect up to 100 devices at the same time. One of the best things about the system is that it seamlessly combines all the bands into one Wi-Fi name and allows you utilizing the protocol of 802.11kVr for smooth seamless roaming into each device. These decos are built in self-healing. Just in case one of the decos goes offline, it will automatically correct itself so you won't lose connection at all. This deco supports 3 different modes, which includes a router mode, an access point, and an extender mode. Back of the device, it comes with 2 gigabit ports and power port on the bottom of the device, and it also has the LED indicator to know the status of the router. So these ports are gigabit ports and these are auto sensing ports. Besides 2 power adapters, you also get one flat Ethernet cable which is included as well. All the decos work together. You can make any deco as your primary primary deco or router, and it connects directly to your modem or your fiber optic which is provided from your internet service provider. And your second deco is spread throughout your home. They can be either wirelessly communicate each other or they can be connected each node with Ethernet line for faster speeds, which is also known as Ethernet backhaul from this node to this node. Now setup is super easy. You just need to install the Deco app and sign up. Create your account if you have, or sign up. So it says paint your home in Wi-Fi. So click let's begin, and you select your device out of all these devices. So this is M4, so here it is. So it says some things which we need to know. So I've power on the device. So it shows the yellow LED indicator. It says power off your modem. Next. Then I need to plug in. So I have connected the ACT fiber optic cable on LAN 1. So both are gigabit ports and it's auto sensing. Wherever you connect this LAN Ethernet cable, it will automatically sense the WAN connection has been established. So here it is. I have powered the deco and have attached the Ethernet cable. So it says that to check the modem and internet LED is stable. So here the router blue LED is blinking. As you, as you can see here, it says that power on the deco and wait until the LED pulses blue. So solid yellow means deco is starting up, we have to wait. But if there is pulsing LED which is of blue, so as you can see here, it's blue LED pulsing, so the deco is ready for setup. Need to turn on the location. Allow. So this app is looking for a deco device and will get connected through the internet. So I'll skip this part. Once it has been, see here, you can see here the app has found the deco unit, and the deco is connected now. So this deco is placed in the living room. So it's detecting the internet connection type, which internet connection type it is. So here it is, it's dynamic IP. Next, keep default. Next. So now it's creating the Wi-Fi. I need to keep the Wi-Fi name. So I have created the network name. So it's creating the new Wi-Fi which I need to connect. So I use ACT fiber optic cable, and my plan speed is 125 Mbps. As you can see here, now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, and link speed is 433 Mbps, and it's connected on 5 GHz band. So this router generates, as it has dual band, but this router generates a single Wi-Fi name, in which it decides according to your device which band is suitable for. So my primary deco device is set up. Now it's telling me to add for another deco. So here's the second deco device which I need to add now. So first let me power on the deco device. This is my old router, so I'll be replacing this with my secure deco device. Add another deco. So basically here we have to find a suitable spot. It means that where do we stay, like where do we connect this deco, first floor or second floor, or we have 3 floors option. So currently this primary deco is on 5th floor and secondary deco is on 4th floor, so I'll be selecting first one floor. Next. So it was solid yellow, which means it was starting up. Now it's pulsing blue, so the device is ready for setup. As you can see here, the device is pulsing blue. So this is wirelessly connecting from the main deco, but my plan is to connect directly from the first deco, which I'll be connecting it shortly, which means basically Ethernet backhaul. Sorry for the disturbance in the video, as there's a construction site going near my house. So without further ado, so now this secondary deco is getting connected with the primary deco, which I have just now configured. So it's searching for the primary deco. So it has found the second deco also. Now it's asking that where I have placed the second deco unit. So this one I have placed it in my bedroom. So it's optimizing the network now. As you can see here, the blue LED which was flashing, blinking, have stopped and it's solid blue now. So it's optimizing the network. So the network optimization is complete now, and I can connect the devices on this Farhat Manzil network. So now it asks you for adding another third device, but as I have purchased only 2 units as of now, so I'm done for now. I'll click I'm done for now. So now it's connecting from this router. So now it shows how many devices are online. So this is the list of the devices which are connected, and the light is solid white, which means it's fully connected, and I have given the Ethernet backhaul from the first deco to this secondary deco. So, and it's also giving the firmware update. So before the firmware update, let me just quickly run the speed test on this thing. So as I have mentioned, my currently speed plan is 125 Mbps, but the thing is the ISP provider cable is Cat5 cable. For that reason my speeds are stuck under 100 Mbps only. So um, once the wire has been changed to Cat6, I hope I'll be reaching the speeds up to 125 Mbps. Let's run the test again. It's around 93 up and 90, 84 down. It's pretty good from the second deco unit. So as soon as I click the firmware update button, it says deco M4R. It shows me the location and where all my decos are connected. It says downloading. So remaining time is 7 minutes. It's installing the new firmware. So I'll skip this part and catch you guys after this firmware installation.